Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Today we are going to play through a couple of songs, and I picked some older country songs because they are a great place to get started with your learning of songs. If you don't like older country, just bear with me for this video. And if you have any suggestions for test songs to use in the future, then drop those in the comments below and I will use those as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to black it out just like we have been doing for a while. I want you to try to figure out the first note, so the root note of the song. All of these songs are going to start with the root note first. Okay, some songs are tricky and they don't quite do that, and it can get confusing when that happens. So notice the root note, notice the pattern, and then actually try to figure out the notes. Okay, all right, here we go. All right, did you get it? If you didn't get it, then go back and watch it again because I'm about to give out the answer. All right, so the key of that song was the key of E. So if you were fishing around on the E string, you should have noticed that that's our first one. And all I was doing is going from a 1, or the E chord, to a 5, the B chord. And if you recognize that song's Blue Eyes Crying in the Rain. So let's play it together. 1, 2, ready, E. Then it changes to B. Back to E. To B. Alright, now that we know that it's Blue Eyes Crying in the Rain, I'm going to black it out again, and let's learn the next section. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and... Repeat it if you need to. Did you get it? Okay, so that section, as I was playing it, I was thinking this might be a little tricky because we are in the key of E. So if you were fishing around for that next chord, it did not start on E. It started on the 4. It started on A. So we go from A, back to E, and then to B. So let's play through that. 1, 2, ready, start on A. A. It changes to E here. B. Then we're back to the part that we've already learned. E. Change to B. Alright guys, let's do one more song. All right. Did you get it? If you didn't, repeat the chords, and I'm about to give you the answer. So that was in the key of C. The root note would be C. The song was Your Cheatin' Heart. So it's going to go from C to F to G. So C, F, G. Now, you might have played it on different frets, but if you were up here and you figured that it was this fret, and then you went to this fret, and this fret, you got it right, because that's C, F, and G. So let me actually play it up here and show you what it sounds like, and then show you what it sounds like down there. All right, so here we go. 1, 2, ready, and go to F. G. Back to C. So I'm going to switch up here. F, G, all right, guys, those are 2 country songs that you can learn by ear. If you had trouble with that, I will have a couple more just that I'll throw out sporadically. Even just not even particular songs, but just playing through some chords and you trying to figure it out. So I'll look for those shorts as well as full videos. If you have any questions about the way I was strumming, I've got several videos on that style of strumming, and I'll link them in the description below. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please watch my other videos. Please subscribe and check out my website to grab a bunch of classic country as well as modern country and rock tabs on my website. See you in the next video, guys.